Palabas na tayo ng bahay. And ayan, sobrang lamig. Parang mali pa nga ata yung nasuot ko. Mix and match kasi yung ginawa ko. So, anyway, baka hindi na natin abutin yung bus dun sa nearest stop. Kaya, dun na lang tayo sa isang bus na medyo mas matagal pa yung waiting time. Pero I have to walk mga 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you around habang naglalakad. Okay, so parang parang mali tayo ng decision kasi yun yung bus na yun yung bus na pupunta dun sa nearest stop ko. And it seems like aabutin ko naman pala kung naglakad ako that way. Pero okay na rin yan, maiba-iba. So, to the left, look to the right, wala namang sakyan. Let's go. Okay. And yun, that's our next bus stop. So, bus natin is bus 50. Yan. Ito na yung next na bus at 7:47. Siguro if there's one thing na na-enjoy ko sa Japan, pero hindi ko na-enjoy sa Pilipinas, yun siguro yung commute. Kasi very efficient yung public transportation dito. At the same time, walang traffic, walang hassle, hindi siksikan. Well, siksikan din, pero hindi katulad sa Pilipinas naman na ipilit na parang kalahati na lang ng puwet mo yung nakaupo. So dito naman, maluwag naman and spacious naman yung mga public transport. At higit sa lahat, meron sila dito na tinatawag na Teiki. Hindi ko alam kung meron ganun sa Pilipinas, but basically, it's an IC card na bibilihin mo lang either for good for 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. Then magagamit mo na siya unlimited. O diba ang galing? So magagamit mo siya sa lahat ng routes nung ruta. Magagamit mo siya sa lahat ng ruta nung bus line na binilihan mo. Yun. So any moment now, it's 7:47. So any moment now parating na yung bus. So ito na siya. Medyo na-late siya ng 2 minutes. But it's okay. Oops.
前方面へお越しの方は次でお乗り換え願います。次、止まります。
バスが停留所に停車するまで席をお立ちにならないよう願います。
Ang bilis lang ng bus ride, parang 3 minutes ata. Yeah. And yung button kanina na nakikita niyo sa clip, ah, ano rin yun, paano ba? In the Philippines, you say para, di ba, for the vehicle to stop and for you to disembark. Disembark. So, here, they value yung silence. Bukod sa I think it's unique in the Philippines to say para. Here, they really value their silence. Tapos, yung button na yon is pressed. Kapag narinig mo na yung stop mo, you have to press the button para alam nung driver na hihinto siya dun sa stop. Kasi, if walang tao dun sa stop at wala namang nagpumindot nung button, magdidire-diretso lang yung bus. So, yun. Okay. I think we'll... Oh no, we have to run. But I think we'll make it to our next bus naman. Okay, baba ka muna para tumakbo tayo. So, ayan. Okay, may few minutes pa naman. So, nakakatuwa yung mga Japanese elementary student na nakakasalubong ko dito sa daan ko papunta dun sa second bus stop. They were really shy. Talaga naman ganun yung mga Hapon. They are really shy. Pero I started greeting them good morning para din ma-practice nila. They're not my students. Pero yun nga, gusto ko ma-practice nila no, parang real world application. At first, di sila bumabate. Parang nagtataka lang sila. Pero okay lang. I kept at it. Baka it tripped them out niya thinking about it. Pero later on, bumabati na. Tapos ngayon, katulad kanina, hindi ko lang pinakita sa video. Nasa kabilang side of ng road. Nandun na sila, nakatawid na sila sa kabila. Naririnig ko sila kumakaway, tsaka naririnig na bumabati, tsaka kumakaway ng good morning. So, that's a win. 1 point Pilipinas. It's almost 8 a.m. Pero kung napapansin mo, sobrang madilim pa sa labas. Naman madilim pero it's a bit gloomy. Kasi nga so this bus will go 4 stops. Kasama na itong to. And then after 4 stops, yun na yung bus station kung saan naman ako mag-i-start ng lakad papuntang school. So yung school ko is parang beside a golf course. Kaya dun ako sa stop ng golf course bumababa. And yun nga, 10 minutes walk siya. Ganda lang yung lalakaran ko. Usually kasabay ko dito yung mga estudyante naglalakad. So nagpapwentuhan kami habang naglalakad. Pero maya tatakbo na yan sila kasi medyo late na for them. Kung napansin nyo sa bus, iniiwasan kong magsalita sa loob ng bus kasi yun nga, it's giving courtesy dun sa mga ibang pasahero, lalo na sa mga Japanese kasi they wake up so early tapos late na rin sila nakaka-uwi, so parang yun na lang dun yung time nila to rest, and it's just polite and courteous for foreigners and other people now from other countries to just be quiet pag nasa bus. There are so many places naman where we can talk, kaya bigay na natin yung sa kanila. Hindi naman natin kailangan magingay sa bus. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung view. Oh, good morning! Go, 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 go! Hurry up! So, estudyante ko yun. Nag-ano na siya. Nagmamadali na siya. Anong oras na ba? 8:10. They have to be in school kasi na 8:20 para dun sa para ano ba? Para sa homeroom. Parang daily briefing nila. Ako naman, ang time in ko ay 8:30, but it's customary sa Japan to arrive at least 15 minutes early. Yun yung lagi kong ginagawa, 8:15. But probably next week, I'll try to go to school by 8. Kasi malapit nang mag-winter vacation, tapos mag-Christmas. So medyo matagal kong hindi makikita yung mga estudyante. So I'm planning to go to school early para meet and greet ko sila. Mabati ko sila every morning pag pumapasok sila. Ayun. So ang ganda pa rin ang kulay ng mga puno. Technically, pa rin naman, autumn, pero pa winter na. Ang ganda ng kulay ng puno. So just right behind these trees is our school ground. Tapos yung school ko na. But I'll stop the recording here because we're not allowed to record our school. Para sa privacy din yun ng mga bata. Okay, bye. See you later. So, nasa restroom tayo now. Nakapag good morning na ako sa office and sign ng attendance. Niisip ko sanang magtanggal ng layer kasi pangit, parang napapangitan ako sa combination itong olive green, tapos maroon, tapos cream na jacket. Pero parang okay naman para sila. Yeah, parang okay lang. So, I might just leave this on. Okay, balik na tayo sa office. If I'm not in a hurry to get to my class, or if I don't have first period class, I always check my journal for any uncompleted task from the previous days or anything that I need to follow up on. I also check the notes that my co-teachers are placing on my desk. So for this one, they just told me the schedule changes for the coming classes. Also, my OTE told me that she already checked my lesson plan and she likes it. So I'm keeping those post-its for reference also. I'm also checking Teams because sometimes I am in a group for a certain event and some announcements are also there. Today I do not have any class, but my music teacher, because they know that I'm also a music teacher back in the Philippines, he invited me to join his class so I can observe his lessons on Japanese koto. This is the music room. Grabe, ang daming instrument. It's like they have a mini orchestra. So very nice. My music teacher was so nice to allow me to film or to video the Japanese koto and to even play it. It's my first time to see a Japanese koto. It's part of the curriculum in the Philippines. Asian music and Japanese music is part of the secondary school curriculum. Pero it's my first time to see and touch a Japanese koto. So please forgive my mistakes. I am playing by ear because the notation is in Japanese. Practice.
Seven. Ten.
One more.
Okay.
Okay, sorry. Thank you so much. And they drew so many acorns. Time now is 4:47. Dapat kanina pa tayo 4:14 nag-out. Kaya lang medyo nag-enjoy ako manood nung club ng judo. Nakalimutan ko yung oras. Pero okay lang. Sobrang lamig. Maganda yung araw, no? I mean, maganda yung kapagod. Pataas kasi to. Maganda yung naging araw ko today. Kasi kahit wala akong class, naka-attend ako ng 2 class ng music with my ninense, mga second year. Tapos, second year junior high school. Tapos, yun nga, we played Japanese koto. And after nun, nag-discuss kami nung co-teacher ko sa Sanense naman, third year. Nag-discuss naman kami ng future lessons namin. So, maganda na. So ngayon, pinaprepare ko na yung lesson and papacheck ko sa kanya by Monday. Pero dahil Friday na, Monday ko na yun itutuloy. Then, ayun nga, in the afternoon, ay pala, during lunch break, so after kumain, nakipaglaro muna ako sa mga bata. Kahabulan. Nagtaya-tayaan kami ng mga ninense. Akala ko mahabol ko sila pero sobrang bilis nila tumakbo. So, and ano pa ba? Yeah, basically yun, no? So, successful naman and very interesting yung naging araw ko today. Hopefully, sa mga susunod na araw din. Pero sa mga susunod na araw, medyo busy ako kasi madami akong class and may mga sutyo o may mga official business din ako next week. Also, yung someone from our Board of Education will come to discuss to me or discuss with me some future arrangements because they're giving me elementary class teaching load. So pag-uusapan din namin yun. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Ang hirap nung pauwi galing school kasi paakyat yung daan. Pero ito na yung bus stop ko. Ito rin ako bumaba kanina. At yan. So maghihintay na ako nung bus ko. Dalawang bus din ako pauwi. And then pahinga na. Okay. So ayun. Ganito yung buhay sa Japan. Isang araw pa lang to. So in the coming days I will also share kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa araw ko. So this is what's up with ALT Zone. Again, my name is Ruby. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to help the channel grow. So ganun yung buhay ng isang ALT dito sa Japan. Okay, see you sa next video. Bye!